Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. This time we're looking at the Jokari Fizz Keeper pump cap and 3 things you should know about this. Number 1, this screws onto 1, 1.5, and 2 liter bottles. You're going to see some reviews out there say it requires hundreds of pumps. Well, given the size device it is, it all depends as to how empty your bottle is. Thing number 2, save money by not throwing away flat soda. When one of the tests I threw at these was a 2 liter bottle, and I emptied it out to about 2 inches of soda below the bottom, and I really did not have expectations there would be any amount of fizz left. I figured this would be good for when you just opened one up and maybe halfway down. Much to my surprise, this came out relatively well. Yes, the fizz had faded a little bit, but the trick is with the pump cap, I kept pumping it until the bottle was pretty firm. Now, there may always be some leakage. You can't really control that one. But the fizz that I encountered from the soda exceeded what I was expecting, and I didn't expect much. Thing number 3, very important here. This is dishwasher safe, so the easiest way to clean these is just throw them in the dishwasher when you're doing your plates or silverware or whatever. And that way, keep them clean, and you should have them for a long time to come.